Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Vechain update for Monday 15th of August, and Vechain is looking amazing for an entry. This is absolutely beautiful because why not? I mean, here we go, right? So last time that I talked about Vechain, you do have that interaction I talked about, this touch here, that touch that I talked about, you got another touch there, one touch here, one interaction there, one here, and then you had this one, and you finally broke to the upside. If I bring in the EMAs, you're making a bull cross right there. This has come down, and I think it's just a normal correction. There's nothing wrong about Vechain. I do think Vechain is going to have negative signs when it starts to lose 2917. If you start to come below 2917, then I think kiss Vechain goodbye. Okay, that could actually make Vechain make this fake out, because the only reason why it's going to be a fake out is that you are coming below that support once again, which was previously resistance there. Do you see that? So it's coming down here, losing that line, and then you're going to fall into the trap, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, and you're also destroying this bullish engulfing candlestick. So the fact that you have a bullish engulfing candlestick right above the resistance, breaking resistance with a bullish engulfing candlestick, which is a bullish pattern, does show that this is willing to actually backtest here and actually go to your next price target, which is going to be 4465, and that is going to be a rise up to for 40%. Okay, so this is an amazing 40% trade, and I do believe now that this does look like an amazing entry. If there's something that you want to trade, do your own risk calculation, risk management, not a financial advice, but based on logic and everything, I will actually, yeah, if you ask me, is it recommended to buy this one now? Bloody hell, it's recommended with a stop loss down to 2927. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on Vechain. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.